Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here on Koh Larn Island. We're just off the coast of Pattaya. Came over here and we're going to take a look at Tien Beach. This is a mid-sized beach, probably about 400 meters long. And what's cool is it has a little, like a stone footbridge, a cement footbridge that they use to connect it to the Samurai Beach, which is just over here, not too far away. Anyway, this is a cool beach, got some nice white sand and some nice crystal clear blue waters. So we're gonna walk through here and then I'll try to break out the drone and fly it over here so you can see what it looks like from above. So let's see what we see. This is the whole beach right here. So it looks like the tide is out. It'll be coming in here in a few hours. And then it just kind of is shaped like a C. And then that's the interior part of Koh Larn. We're on the opposite side from Tawaen Beach. You can go down, there's a little trail over this way. You can take a motorcycle across to that. To get over here, you can ride a motorcycle, hire out the motorcycle taxis, or you can jump in the back of these song towels like this. And I think it's 70 baht to get over here from the pier. And then there's a little bit of food and stuff like that. So let's walk down here and let's kind of enjoy this beach a little bit. Yeah, so it's Thailand, so they never miss a beat to sell you some food. So they got the coconuts, cold drinks, meat on a stick. And it does get super hot here. And they're grilling up some of the chicken and hot dogs right there. Some of the pineapple and all of that. Oh, and then ice cream. So you can get you one for 20 to 50 baht or so. So you can see everybody's came down here, parked their motorcycle under these trees, and then you can walk the short little distance over to the beach. And this is the little concrete footbridge. You don't need to use it on a day like today. You can walk right down the sand. Now a few years back, I think probably 3 years ago when I came over here, this hillside sloughed off and broke part of this. So they built this wooden part over here. That's kind of cool. Yeah, this is a beautiful beach. So you got the banana boats out there, jet ski rentals, all the normal stuff for all the beach activity. Yeah, this is the part that sloughed off right here. You can see the cactus and stuff. This huge chunk of rock came down and broke it. You can see the spirit houses and stuff that were in there. Now they built this wooden section to kind of cut across. And we're over here to the end of that little walkway. So you're greeted with all the sun chairs and umbrellas. You can do the little paddle boarding, banana boats, jet skis, and have lunch, eat, drink, all that you want to do here. You can see the sun chairs here. And some more over there. And then they have this place here for swimming, but the water is so low that it's just part of the beach right now. Let's walk up to the water and we'll see how it feels, and then we'll walk all the way to that other end over there. Yeah, this is a little bit of the swimming area here. And they got the jet skis out there. Oh, this is really, really nice. Yeah, the sand is a little muddy because it's the low tide. Oh, the water feels really, really nice though. And these guys here, they come to the beach with an umbrella to stay out of the sun. Places to dig holes, do all that stuff. You got the jet ski pulling the little banana boat out there. Yeah, usually that's about 900 baht or so to rent that banana boat. 800 to 900. I'm not sure what it is here on this beach. And then the jet skis are usually 900 up to like 1500 for 30 minutes, depending on the size that you rent. You have the Tien Nara right there. And then it seems like last time they were building that I came. Can't remember exactly. It's been, I don't know, 3 years ago or so since I came here. And they've added a lot more jet skis. There didn't used to be this many here. They even have some parasailing over there. Oh, that would be pretty fun. On a super hot day like today, it's a scorcher. Yeah, the water is absolutely perfect temperature. It's like a bathtub. And the sand feels nice on the feet. Yeah, they do a nice job here on the island to pick up trash. You go to some of the Thai beaches and it'll just be broken glass, plastic everywhere. But here they rake it up, make it look pretty nice. You see back there, that's kind of the high tide mark up there by that little tree. So all this will be covered up with water here in the next couple hours when the tide comes back in. He's out here looking for any lost jewelry or money. Yeah, so this is the Tien up here. Yeah, lots of nice little shade trees. Got the Norwegian flag flying, so the owner must be Norwegian. They have the bathrooms back in there, and the sun chairs. If you want to know how far it is to New Delhi or Monaco, 4,445 miles to Moscow, 389 miles to Phuket. I'm sure those are exactly accurate. You can sit underneath the trees here also, just down the beach. Yeah, the sand is really, really nice here. It's a bit hot because it's so sunny today, but it really is a nice white sand. So we'll walk up here and look at this little resort, and then I'll find a place to fly the drone. We saw the beach and the water and all of that down there. Yeah, I think it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing with the tide end, but it still is pretty nice here. And this nice powdery white sand here. And some more sun chairs. Yeah, a great way to spend the afternoon. Yeah, this is about 400 meters long, shaped kind of like a C. And this is a nice place here, and that other beach that's just a little bit away, it's the popular places for people to come over to watch the sunsets. You have a nice seaside view of the sunsets. And that other beach is just on the other side of that weird shaped building over there. And this is the Hard Tien restaurant. So you can sit there and have some seafood and all of that. Yeah, nice little beach for sure. And all the amenities here for bathrooms and all that stuff is back behind. And some more beach chairs, showers, stuff like that over here. We've made it to the end of the beach. So they got a couple little swings here. And then the hotel that's shaped like a fishing boat. That's kind of the novelty item here at this beach. And we're over here in the rocks. Photo shoots going on. All the normal stuff. Yeah, this is the hotel that's shaped like a boat. How cool is that? And that's just right here at the end of the beach. And then the rest of it just kind of opens up over here. Be a nice view from there for sure. And the second one here. So they have a ladder to go up there for some reason. That's right here at the end of the beach. We've seen the whole place now. That'll finish up our video over here at this Tien Beach. This is nice enough. It's a mid-sized beach, 400 meters or so of some really nice sand. I would say if you're here on Koh Larn, come over here and take a look at it. It's number 2, number 3 beach on the island probably as far as popularity. So come over here, walk on the white sand and enjoy it. And if you have any questions or comments, ask me down below. If you've been here, let me know also in a comment. And if you like the video, smash the like button for sure. Subscribe if you're new. And until next time, from over here on Koh Larn, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.